Hello everyone! Ta-da! I'm Clover. Welcome to my channel. Now, I'm making sushi-shaped candy. Yahoo! Wow, they're really delicious.
Delicious!
Today, I'm going to make sushi to eat. Take rice and put it in a bowl. Add water until it covers the rice. Cook the rice for 30 minutes. Retrieve the sushi ingredients from the fridge. Remove the skin from the salmon. Cut the salmon into small pieces. Next is the crab sticks. Remove the heads of the shrimp. Stir the shrimp. Okay, done. Now we'll boil the shrimp. Pour water into a pot. When the water is boiling, add the shrimp. Boil the shrimp for 5 minutes. Great! The shrimp is cooked and looks delicious. Now we'll peel the shrimp. The rice is cooked, and sushi cannot be made without rice. Add sesame oil to the rice. Salt. Mix them together. We'll use the rice to wrap the ingredients to create sushi. First, the shrimp sushi. Second, the salmon sushi. Wrap the egg with seaweed and rice. Some pink pickled ginger to the salmon sushi to balance the fishy flavor. It's really delicious. I love sushi. I'm going to finish all the sushi for dinner. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Mini Yummy love you.